This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Deb Bryan. Exceptional horse property or everyday getaway just 15 minutes from WLR Barndominum ceiling soar over 25 recent uopgrades, roof replaced, polished concrete floors redone, all carpets replaced, refrigerator, much of lighting, every gate replaced in 2022, GE profile double oven / range with Airfrier, feature water heater, 2023 barn and has 4 Prierfert comfort stalls plus washing, stall+Tack room window. View of the barn in primary allows you to check on your horses in the barn without leaving your bed. 220 plug for RV at shop, covered riding arena west / sprinklers for dust jumping arena. Arenas have stock panel fencing, 3 pastures west / triple board fence added, new Electrobraid 2023 well water to 5 hydrants every pasture and building, city water to house electricity every building and every pasture, back 8 air conditioner. Wooded west / riding trails. Rainbird sprinkler system in landscaped areas, propane heat. Realtors, thank you for reading comments, for showing instructions. For more information.